This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Sienna tire full guide. Start by parking on a flat surface, set the parking brake, and put wheel chocks behind the wheels. Loosen lug nuts one turn while the vehicle is grounded, then position the jack under the manufacturer jacking point and raise the vehicle until the flat tire clears the ground. Before you begin, lay out all tools so the process flows smoothly and safely, and confirm your spare has full pressure. Gloves and eye protection help keep you comfortable and protected, especially in roadside conditions. Identify the manufacturer jack point near the flat, set wheel chocks on the opposite side, and ensure your lug wrench fits the nuts snugly to prevent rounding during loosen and removal. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, helpful videos. On another note, quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying the garage or workshop effortless and oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like the demo. Now let's get back to the video. With the vehicle raised and secure, fully remove lug nuts and set them aside where they won't roll away. Pull the flat tire straight off the studs and inspect the hub for debris or damage. Align the spare, push it onto the studs, and hand thread the nuts in a star pattern to seat the wheel evenly. Lower the vehicle until the tire touches the ground, then torque the lug nuts to the recommended specification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.